Hey guys, what is up? So today I will finally be showcasing my weird noises, and I will have Dr. Pepperman VR as my judge based on how funny they are on a scale of 1 to 10.
Okay.
Give me a sec.
What? Hit me with your first one.
That's the first one.
Okay. That was a 7 out of 10. Good job. Here,
Alright.
this will help you. This will help you. Oh my god.
And then the next one we have is.
That's like a 4 out of 10, bro, for being honest.
Why a 4?
Kinda not funny, for being honest.
Alright, and now we have.
8. Hey, you wanna know something cool? You wanna know something cool?
Sure.
So we know that burgers cannot grow on trees.
Wait, what?
They grow underground.
Oh my god. Oh!
Wait,
Jack, what have you done?
Sorry, the burgers grow quite a lot, so you gotta harvest them quickly. Alright, anyways, come on.
Alright, so next we
10.
have. Next we have.
that might be my favorite, so 10. Yeah, I'm strapped. Pow, pow. Oh. Okay, hit me with more noises, kid.
Hold on, I gotta freaking wipe down my freaking headset because I'm getting saliva everywhere. Alright, so the next one we have is.
Sits. That one's kind of mid.
And now we have.
Hey, you wanna know something cool? Stay right there, okay?
Wait, what?
Okay, stay in that position. Don't look at me. Here, just look straight. Ready? Are you ready?
No, I'm not ready. What are you planning to do?
Just hold still. It's like harmless. I promise.
What are you doing? Joe, did this man just crash or something? Joe, what just happened?
What? Dude, what? Why did I lag so bad?
I don't know. Anyways, we have. Oh my god! No, get away from me!
This is an AI. That actually might be my favorite, if we're being honest. Why are we recording this anyway?
Because I said I was gonna do a compilation of my weird noises, and here we are.
Oh, okay.
Alright, and I believe next we have. Well, I'm sorry, I'm thinking. What's goody in the hoodie of my gang?
You know what you sound like, low key?
What?
Hold on, let me find it.
I swear to God.
You sound like these.
Oh,
Is it worth all the hype? No.
I guess.
Is it just worth it? No. Oh my god. Baby.
Now let me
Obama
create a
X
symphony of these
Zesty
guys.
Holotar.
What?
Hello, everybody. My name is Barack Obama, and I have my wonderful husband right here. His name is Joe Biden. As you can see, he is Joe Biden. And we have 3 kids. We are expecting our 4th one in May. And yeah, that is basically me.
And over again, Joe.
Yo.
Hello, everybody.
It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful.
Hello, everybody. My name is Barack Obama. I have my wonderful.
It's a particle. It's a particle accelerator. Joe.
Steve Jobs. Come here, Steve Jobs.
Hello,
Part
everybody.
2 of Steve Jobs.
And I
Steve Jobs!
Part 2 of being Steve Jobs and hitting the dance.
Barack Obama.
Steve Jobs.
Hello.
My name is Steve Jobs.
I have my wonderful husband right here.
Oh my god. It's beautiful.
Hello, Sarah. I'm a monster.
Hello. My name is Barack Obama.
Bro, what did I make back in the day?
Hello,
Oh,
Sarah.
this is what I
I'm a
made back in the day.
As the sign says right there.
You sound so young.
You're being a monkey.
Who, me?
Yes.
Hello, everybody. My name is Barack Obama. I have my
Jimmy, remember this? Remember this?
Oh yeah, we would execute him.
Some people just made super freaky stuff on this game.
Ah! Ah!
Are you still recording?
Yes.
Oh my
Muchacho, stop! You're gonna get me demonetized.
Hello. My name is Barack Obama. I have my wonderful.
It looks like someone having a brain aneurysm in the freaking jitters. Look at it. 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 Ah!
Hello. My name is Barack Obama. I have my wonderful husband.
So beautiful.
We are expecting this one in May. Yeah.
It's so beautiful.
VR, come over here. Mr. VR, come over here. Just listen, just listen.
What is blessing my ears?
Hello, everybody. My name is Barack Obama.
What did I
My
create?
wonderful husband right here. His name is Joe Biden. As you can see,
What?
he is Joe
He said-
Biden.
What should I
Yeah, your special husband. And yeah, that's me.
Part 2 of being Steve Jobs and hitting the
Yo, why do I have this? It's Tasty Tyrones. Holy crap, they're super zesty. Bro, they're so zesty, bro.
I think I'm just gonna end it here.